my name's Emma and I'm here to get you started with October's Take and Make craft. So what you'll have in your craft bag is a paint marker, a little chalkboard with a little wooden peg, and a sheet with some design ideas. It's got some fun borders you can play with. It's got some different calligraphy types that you can practice with, and that's what's going to be included in your kit for this month. Something to keep in mind before you start drawing your design is that the side that has this small hole in the back is designed to be the bottom. And that's because when you put this little dowel rod inside of the hole, it creates a frame that stands up on its own. The next thing you're going to want to do is trace your design on the chalkboard. That way you can just trace over it with the paint marker. With the paint marker, you want to make sure you shake it up good so the pigment is distributed. And another thing you might want to do is use your plastic bag to press down on the paint marker. That way the paint enters the tip of the pen. It may take a little bit, but then you'll start to see some white dots. And now you'll know that the tip of the pen is fully saturated. Once you're happy with your design, you can then use extra decorations if you want. I chose to use ribbon and a hot glue gun to create a border and a little bow tie on the corner. Other ideas that you can do are pom-poms or even some fun fake foliage for the season. And again, you can write whatever message you want, but I choose to make mine fall themed because I really love fall and I love celebrating it. Happy crafting, everyone!